What's up, guys? Today we are working on our 1997 Jeep Grand Cherokee. A supplier on Amazon reached out to us and they wanted us to test out their liners. So they sent us these plastic liners. They're trimmed to fit, and then they just get Velcroed onto the carpet on the back there. This is what comes in the kit. We've got one for the passenger side, and then we've got this larger one for the driver's side, which is the 60/40. So this company is Muscology, and this is the AAA liner. We'll put a link in the description. We accidentally stuck one of those Velcro things to the back of the seat and almost couldn't get it off. So we can tell you that they stick very well. It is trimmed to fit, and they've got lots of lines on there. So we're going to go ahead and follow the pattern of the back of the seat, get those things in. The idea is that once those liners are on, then they'll protect the back seats when you lay the back seats down to haul stuff, which half the reason of having a SUV is to be able to put those seats down, and then that way we don't have to worry about tearing up the carpet. So these do seem to be pretty decently thick and good quality. So we're actually already fairly impressed. They seem nice. We'll go ahead and install them, see what the finished product is like, take you guys along, and then let you know what we think. So I'm Joel, this is Motors and Mischief, and today we're working on our 1997 Jeep Grand Cherokee, putting in these AAA liners to protect our back seats. All right, let's get going. All right, guys, it is all done, and that's what it looks like. Came out pretty good. It serves its purpose. Really what we wanted it for was, we use this thing like a truck. We close down those back seats, lay them flat, and then, sometimes we haul stuff, including rocks, like those. So that just keeps us from being able to punch through the back of the seat, and keeps it, looking nice. So I would say that this would work great to protect against that sort of thing like we're using it for. Would also work really good if you have damaged the backs of your seats and you don't want to go to the expense of putting all new back seats in. You can just put these covers in and they'll do the job. The Velcro stuff sticks like crazy to the back of the seat. That part works fantastic. The glue that goes on the those little pucks is not as strong as we would like. We have had this peel back just a little bit in the ensuing days that we've been using this. It does stick right back down and works fine. A little bit heavier glue would be awesome. So anyway, that's it, guys. We like it for the price. Think it's really darn good. It does serve the purpose. There's a link in the description, AAA liners. You click on that, get yourself a pair. If you like the content on the Jeep, there's quite a few other Jeep projects on this channel, as well as a couple of other Jeeps on the channel. So check those out. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Peace. Joel, this is Motors and Mischief, and we're working on our 1997 Jeep Grand Cherokee, putting in these things called?
AAA liners.
I'm Joel, this is Motors and Mischief, and today we're putting... Check it out. Thanks so much for watching, guys.